find your mojo. So your mojo or your spark, we all tend to phase in and out of these during our time in a creative industry. And I have conjured up a little formula to always put you back in your mojo, slot you back in your groove, okay? So first things first, we need to find our passion. What is it that we're passionate about within the industry? Are you passionate about organics? Are you passionate about helium? Are you passionate about intricate detail? Focus on what you're really, truly passionate about and not what you think everybody else wants you to be doing. So next we go on to purpose, and purpose is super important because it's our reason why, and we have to connect with our reason why to continue. Being self-employed, running your own business, it can be tricky, so always having your reason why will propel you even further. And then I want you to prepare. Don't just prepare for the best, but prepare for the quieter times, and that's when our mojo seems to slip away from us. So preparing for what you could do in those quieter times, behind the scenes of your business, client care for example, it will always give you something to work towards and move 1% forward every single day. So I hope this helps you find your mojo, and I will see you guys in the next one.